In this video, I will show you how to make 3 perfect maki rolls: salmon, shrimp and cucumber. First up, classic salmon. Watch my hand. I'm not fighting with the rice, I'm guiding it. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. They press too hard. You just need a thin layer of rice and a piece of fish. Roll it gently. Seal the edge with water and done. Next one, shrimp. The process is exactly the same. That's why I love this method. It's like building with Lego. You have a base, you have blocks, and you have an instruction. You just connect the parts step by step. If you follow the system, you simply cannot fail. By the way, before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe for more channel. I share professional secrets here that will save you money and products. Don't let the algorithm hide these tips from you. And the fresh one, cucumber. People often ask me, why is my rice tasteless? The answer is always in the details. I don't cook by eye, and you shouldn't either. Precision is what makes it delicious. Now, the most satisfying part, the cut. Look at the knife going through, clean, sharp. 6 pieces of salmon, 6 for shrimp, six for cucumber. When you have the right density, slicing is effortless. It holds the form perfect. Cooking sushi at home is simple and fast. Stop guessing with random internet recipes. I put all the exact measurements and step-by-step instruction in my recipe cards. It is your personal cheat sheet. Click the link in my bio to get it. Start cooking like a pro.